Samsung has just announced the next iteration, the next generation of their flagship laptop series. I have the Galaxy Book 3 360. Let's get right down to it and unbox this new fella together, shall we? Okay, everything is tight in here, neatly packed. We've got a power brick, which says it's super fast charging. I believe this new family of devices will get up to 40% of your battery back in under 30 minutes. This is probably the cable that goes with that. Probably just a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. It's sealed in its own little bag. Set those off to the side. This is a little house to hold a thing. Who knows what? We've got your typical documentation about your brand new device. I'm astonished at how small it is without even unbagging it yet. When I think of a convertible device, I think that they have to be a certain size just to fit the hinges and make sure you've got a keyboard with full travel while also supporting a full touchscreen. No, this is a tiny new friend. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's open her up for the first time. Ta-da! Big, wonderful keyboard all the way across. Nice glass trackpad there. Intel Evo, this is an i7 device, very exciting stuff. This is also a 13th generation. I believe it's one of the first 13th gen Intel devices out there, this family of new Galaxy Book 3 devices. And of course, the pièce de résistance for this guy, full, complete folding around. Look how thin it is, even when folded all the way around. It is very thin and incredibly light. Very exciting. And of course, when you have a convertible device, you can use it in this sort of stand mode, perfect for commuting, watching any sort of media, a tent mode if you need to share something in a presentation or another way to watch a movie or something on a flight with limited space. And then of course, back into a traditional clamshell laptop mode for when you need that full keyboard and trackpad. Oh, look at that. This power button is a fingerprint scanner. Big, beautiful super AMOLED display. And wow, okay. When you press that fingerprint button right here to power on initially, that is logging you in as well. I did not have to do it a second time. It didn't say press and hold your fingerprint there. It took it from boot up. So that is very, very cool. Let's talk about what's on the sides of this device. We have two USB Type-C ports. One of those is a Thunderbolt 4 port. We have on the device this thin, a full-size HDMI port, and on this side, I'm looking at a full-size USB Type-A, a headphone jack, and a micro SD card slot. This supports the Galaxy S Pen, so if you have that with another device or you want to pick one up separately, this will work well on that screen, but you can, of course, draw with your fingers. Very responsive, very fluid. It's just a gorgeous screen. That Super AMOLED display, very little bezel on the sides. Really, really, really pretty all around. Just thin and light and bright. I don't know how they do it. They made so thin and light. This is under 3 pounds. 13th generation Intel processor. That's another big difference between this and the previous generation of the Galaxy Book 360. And finally, this is the 13.5-inch model. There's also a 15-inch model if you want a bigger screen for all of your ideas you want to write and draw with a gorgeous, thin and light touchscreen device that's fully capable of going from clamshell laptop to a tablet and every mode in between whenever you want. This is a great option, and there's a 15-inch model as well, and I believe that's another differentiator with the old version. So there you have it. That is the brand new Galaxy Book 3 360. We are going to have deeper dives into all of the announcements from the Samsung event, all these Galaxy Book 3 devices, who they're optimized for, who's going to get the most out of those devices, what you can do with them and Windows 11, and a whole lot more information here at Expert Zone North America, so make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Give this video a like if you enjoyed what you saw, if you enjoyed the device, or even me, and let us know in the comments what you are most excited about from that Samsung announcement. We will talk to you again soon.